Do you struggle with getting organized? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to continue our video series, Mini Motivations with Jodi, here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and today we are on episode 9 of Mini Motivations with Jodi. Today's episode is 4 questions to ask when you are decluttering. So, when we're decluttering our items, we know that there are things that we're going to keep and things we're going to get rid of, whether it's through donating it or trash. But sometimes we're not sure if we're ready to let go of an item. So, here are the 4 questions you can ask yourself if you're stuck. The first question to ask is, do I need it? Now, when I say do I need it, I want you to think really carefully about this. I mean, does it serve my current life? So not, well, we got this as a wedding gift, but years from now when I retire, that's when I'll have time to use it. No, I mean, is it serving the current life that you are in right now? Not a let's save it just in case, or let's save it for some time way off in the future. That will help you make decisions about what items you should keep that will serve your best current life right now. The next question is, do I love it? And I mean that sincerely. So it doesn't matter if you have an item because someone gave it to you as a gift, or because it was passed down to you in the family, or because you spent a lot of money on it. Those are not reasons to keep something. I mean, do you truly love this item? Because if looking at it gives you a negative association, that's not something that you want to keep. And that negative association could come from the fact that it came from someone that you don't have nice thoughts about, or you have resentment feelings about inheriting this item, or you feel bad that you spent money on this item when you don't really like it or care for it anymore. Those are not reasons to hold on to something. So let them go and unburden yourself. Do I need it? Do I love it? Are the first 2 questions. The third question is, are there legal or financial reasons why I should keep this? Okay, so I don't love my mortgage paperwork, for example, but legally, financially, I do need to hold on to these records, right? So that might be an answer to that question. And the final question to ask yourself when you're stuck and you're trying to declutter and you're not sure whether to keep something or not, what's the worst thing that would happen if I let this go? I'll give you an example of an item that I come across a lot when I'm working with clients in their homes, and that is that they have a lot of mystery cords, whether it's a bag or a box, hopefully not an entire room, but there can be a lot of these mystery cords, and usually they're leftovers from appliances and different gadgets that you don't have the gadgets anymore, but you forgot to get rid of the cord. So I ask people, okay, do you know where all your electronic devices currently are? And do you know where all the things are that make them work? And if you're left with these items and nothing that they seem to go with, what's the worst thing that would happen if you let it go? Maybe you come across a gizmo or gadget buried deep in a drawer one day and you say, oh, wow, I forgot I had this gizmo or gadget, but now I don't have the cord anymore. What's the worst thing that would happen? Okay, so you go to a computer store and you say, hey, I need you to sell me the plug that'll make this work. And they'll either have it or they won't. There's an expression that if you can replace something in less than 20 minutes for less than $20, don't sweat the small stuff. So, if you can answer this question, it wouldn't be so bad if I let go of this. Chances are I don't think I have it anymore. Then there's your answer. So there are your 4 questions that can help you if you get stuck when you're decluttering. Do I need it? Do I love it? Are there legal or financial reasons why I need to keep it? And what's the worst thing that would happen if I let this go? Answer those questions, and you will be well on your way to working on decluttering your life. I hope you found this video helpful. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information on our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.